Assalamualaikum everyone. We are living in a time where war is no longer shocking. It is routine, it is scheduled, it is designed. The world is not falling apart on its own. It is being pushed. In America, rockets are not built for defense. They are built for business. Weapons are designed, tested, sold, and then exported into someone else's homeland. War is not a tragedy there. It is an industry. And the rest of the world is a testing ground. Every conflict you see today is connected by the invisible strings. Pull one in another nation bleeds. Look at what is happening in the Middle East. Israel, backed by the Western powers, has escalated tension by targeting Iran. Iran did not invade Israel. Iran did not start a war. Yet Iranian cities live under threat and airstrikes. And when Iran is pushed to respond, the headlines are already prepared that Iran is the aggressor. This is not truth. This is narrative warfare. Aggressor is excused and resistance is criminalized. This is how modern wars are sold. Now turn your eyes to South Asia. Between Pakistan and Afghanistan, a dangerous tension is growing. Border clashes, blame games, and rising mistrust. Two nations already scared by the war being pushed closer to another one, and once again outside forces watch closely because instability is useful and peace is inconvenient. History explains everything. After 9/11, America needed access, intelligence, and routes. So Pakistan was used at that time. When the mission was complete, Pakistan was blamed, isolated, and discarded. Like a tissue paper used to clean the mess, then thrown away.
टिश्यू पेपर तो फिर भी टॉयलेट पेपर की तरह हमें छोड़ गई यहाँ.
Today the same pattern repeats. Gaza burns, Iran is threatened, Africa starves in silence. South Asia trembles. This is not chaos, this is coordination. Powerful nations do not fight directly anymore. They outsource destruction. So people around the world are asking the question that leaders refuse to answer. Is World War III coming? Or has it already begun without an announcement and without a declaration? Because modern World War began when injustice became normal and silence becomes survival. If rockets continue to be designed in America, if aggression continues to be protected, if Muslim nations continue to be turned into the battlegrounds, then this world is not moving toward peace. It is being driven towards destruction. History will remember who built the weapons, and who fueled the war, and who paid with their lives. This is not hatred, this is a warning. Empires fall, weapons rust, but the scars of war remain on the people forever.